In today's video, I'm going to teach you how many gigs can be created on Fiverr. Before we dive in, a quick note. A gig on Fiverr is simply your service listing, and the number you can create depends on your seller level. I'll show you 2 easy ways to find the official answer right on Fiverr so you always have the most current information. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. From the results, click the official Fiverr website to land on the home page. Once you're on Fiverr, look toward the lower right corner of the screen for the small Fiverr icon. This opens the on-site assistant. Click it, and in the chat box, type, "How many gigs can I create?" The assistant will surface the latest policy from Fiverr's documentation. This is a quick, reliable path because it pulls directly from their help resources, and it's especially handy if the site layout changes. There's another way to check this yourself. From the Fiverr site, click on the Help Center. Inside the Help Center, go to the section about Selling on Fiverr, then choose Creating a Gig. This article explains how gigs work, and it includes the specific limits by seller level. Reading the help article is useful if you want extra context, like how gigs are structured and best practices around creating and managing them. Here's the key information you're looking for. The maximum number of gigs is tied to your status on the platform. New sellers can create up to 4 gigs. Sellers at level 1 and level 2 can create up to 10 gigs. Top-rated sellers can create up to 30 gigs. That tiered structure encourages you to start with a focused set of services, deliver great work, and then expand as you progress. If you're unsure of your level, you'll see it on your seller dashboard, and the Help Center article explains what each level means and how it's earned. A couple of quick tips to make this limit work in your favor. Even if you can create many gigs, lead with your strongest, most clearly defined offers first. Clear titles, well-written descriptions, and focused packages tend to perform better than a lot of overlapping listings. And remember, policies can evolve, so when in doubt, use the Help Center or the Fiverr Assistant to confirm the current limits. That's it. You've learned 2 straightforward paths to find how many gigs you can create and exactly what the limits are by seller level.